This is the top side control on our R5L here in the showroom. Starting at your top left is your settings button. This is going to have your water care, maintenance, date and time, your keypad settings, miscellaneous settings, electrical configuration, and your about settings. Next to that one is going to be your jet 1 and key 1. This will allow you to turn on the pump from low, high, and off. If you had a larger spa with 2 pumps, pump 2 would be located the button right below. This will allow you to turn the jets on low, high, and off. Below that is your light setting. You'll be able to turn the lights on and off from this button here. And right next to that is your invert button. So this will allow the screen to turn upside down so you can read it from inside of the spa. Starting on your far right is key 4, key 5, and key 6. This will allow you to go through the settings. And then your up and your down button. This will allow you to go through your settings and turn the temperature up and down as well. Looking at the screen, your top left is going to have your time. Your pump 1 and pump 2 is going to be located right in the middle, and if these are on, they will light up in blue. Your light button is next to it. If it's on, it'll light up in blue as well. Below that is your temperature setting and what it currently is reading. To turn it on and down, it'll turn blue for that set temperature wanting to turn it to. Below that, it's going to tell you what your water care is currently on and whether your spa is cooling or heating up.